this is fully grown. Oh, they grow about 5-6 meters. Can anyone tell me what she eats? Mice? Bigger than mice. Bigger than rats. She will eat birds. She has eaten a chicken before, but her favourite food is a rabbit. You're probably wondering, how does she fit a rabbit in there? A reptile, well, olive pythons can open their mouth about 5 times the size, so they can swallow something 5 times the size of their head. Do you think that would be easy to do? Do you think you could do that? No. So kids, can everyone put their hands up if you go bushwalking and camping? Who goes bushwalking and camping? Hands up. So kids, can you tell me what the most important thing is when you go bushwalking and camping to have with you? What's the most important thing? Pardon? Water? Water, yeah. Okay, that's probably the best answer. But what else do you carry with you? Apart from water? Apart from a tent. So just say for bushwalking then. Apart from a Swiss Army knife.
Stick.
A stick. First aid kit. Most important thing.